The following case study has been produced by Manufacturing Skills Australia to show how employee participation adds to productivity, safety and quality to give your business a competitive edge. SEM Fire and Rescue, based in Ballarat, has been building emergency response vehicles for over 50 years. Over the last 18 months, SEM has been looking at its processes and finding new ways of doing things to improve productivity and the quality of its emergency response vehicles. Change can be a difficult process, but change had to happen if SEM was to stay competitive. Critical to increased productivity has been a level of engagement and consultation with staff that has never been seen before. Production manager Dave Byam believes staff participation was essential to seeing SEM move forward.
These guys on the shop floor have been building fire trucks for a very long time. They know far more about it than anybody else in the organisation. So their input was critical to the success of what we've been able to achieve.
The workers on the floor were very sceptical and resisted change. However, the process of consultation has seen this negativity turned around.
Look, at the very start, there was reservations because it was an unknown and something different, completely foreign to what we've done in the past. But the fact that you had some input and you could see it from the very start, it made a huge difference.
Bill was part of the project team that was drawn from all levels of SEM, both management and tradesmen. The level of equality between management and employees on the team was a key factor to its success.
I was involved in the process from the very start when they got employees involved. We just did a couple of role-playing things and just to get our head around how things can be made smoother, processes. We actually had as much input as the manager at that time.
The combination of training and consultation helped remove resistance to change and brought about understanding and participation.
Any change is probably feared by a lot of the guys on the shop floor. The training helped, right, so they could get an understanding of what happens and how that can benefit the production process. But also that consultation really meant that we were getting their significant amount of their input into the process. They were driving it.
Input from the workers has been one element. However, the flow of communication from management has also been a factor in increasing productivity.
Nowadays it's really good because they come to us and explain to us how far advanced we're able to truck, whether we're ahead or behind, which allows us then to try and figure out a way to catch that work up.
While it's early days yet, SEM's experience has shown that employee participation has been a vital factor in increasing productivity.
Participation of the guys on the shop floor, we wouldn't have been able to get where we are in such a short time without a significant input from the guys on the floor. So the participation is critical.
Manufacturing Skills Australia, committed to equipping Australian industry with the capacity to engage its workforce and so increase productivity. Talk to MSA staff about how they can help you move forward in today's competitive climate.